We're talking with Barbara Abruzzo, who is a healthcare professional who started her own healthcare navigation, Living Well Partners. She's a counselor, and I know that you will have a great health tip for our listening and viewing audience as we ask each of our guests. So through all of your spirituality, give us something, Barbara.
Okay. I would say, so I'm going to say two things. One is very what I feel spiritually and emotionally based, which is, it's very important. One of the key things that I do when I work with clients, so they come to me for any reason. Like I just got a call this morning from somebody who found me on the internet, whose father is in the ICU at New York Cornell Hospital on a ventilator, and they want an advocate to help them with next steps. My goal is for whomever I work with to cultivate the self-awareness necessary to self-heal on all levels. Like I believe that everybody's life purpose is the same. And that is to live an authentically empowered life. But in order to live an authentically empowered life, you need to be integrated, whole. And in order to be integrated and whole, you need to heal on all levels. And that would be physically, emotionally, energetically, and spiritually. And in order to heal on those levels, of course, in certain cases, you need the right doctor and treatment and medication or whatever, therapy. But what you need more than anything is self-awareness, because it's your inner awareness of your own needs and what's working and not working for you. And it's very important for you to check in with yourself, where you literally just sit quietly and you scan, you take a moment, you become still, and you check in, you scan your body, you ask yourself if what you're being told to do resonates with you. Is this working or not working? And for many people, they know this when they have gut reactions, and yet they ignore them, where they might get a little pit in their stomach, or they have a reaction and they need to pay attention to those reactions. And then the other thing I would say is more a functional type of thing, which is try your best to never be hospitalized in the month of July. And that would be because all the new medical students become interns. So they go from being students to medical doctors like that in a day. And you don't want to be hospitalized July 1st.
Oh, great. Man, I don't even want to get into that one. But I know that those two health tips are going to make the best of 2013 health tips. Those are great. I'm grateful to my very special guest, Barbara Abruzzo, for sharing her wisdom and experience, an amazing experience with all of the things that she has done and continues to do for all of us in terms of the healthcare experience. I want to thank all of my teachers and all of those that have helped me in my healing process so that I may continue on my journey. I look forward to seeing everyone next week as we travel through another section of the healthcare galaxy. So until that time, thank you so much, Barbara and Christina, and I wish everyone optimal health.
We invite you to join us live Tuesdays for Magical Medical Tour at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 1:30 Eastern Time. Let me remind you that you can also contact Dr. Glenn Woolman at myyogahub.com/GWoolman or follow him on Twitter at Glenn Woolman, and of course through his own site, glennwoolman.com, where we encourage you to learn about his metaphor square breath. Until we meet again, namaste.